Indian MSME need. This article talks about the problem of MSMEs. There is a problem of definition. Even though the government revised the definition, there is the problem of information asymmetry. Not all the information regarding all the schemes are available on one site. Different sources have different information, so no integrated information on one portal. Thus, due to problem of definition also, more than 95% of MSMEs are not identifiable. They are not registered separately as the companies by Companies Act. New revised definition of the MSMEs by government is small, medium, large. Investment in machinery or equipment and turnover. Investment in machinery and equipment in small enterprises should not exceed 1 crore and turnover should not exceed 5 crore. In the medium, the investment should not exceed 10 crore and turnover should not exceed 50 crore. In large, the investment should not cross 50 crore and turnover should not cross 250 crore. So into 5. This is the new definition. Government has done various things, like they have increased credit access, they have provided the Udyam portal for registration. They have given the new definition also. They have also given the tender preference in government procurement to MSMEs. But still there are various gaps. Institutional structure. Institutional structure is such that MSMEs don't come forward to get registration. So therefore, government should increase the incentive for registration. Payment seeking should be bettered, meaning the services or the goods which the SMEs provide, they should get the payment, so seeking the payment should be bettered. How? Grievance redressal should be strong. What happens, let's say, if a small SME gives goods to some big company, so they don't, even the big company, if they don't pay back the money on time, they don't go to grievance redressal. Fearing of that, they should build good relations with the good company, big company. So therefore, fearing, as SMEs fear bad relations with big customers. If you look into the significance of MSMEs as a whole, this proper significance can be a short introduction in any mains answer in paper 3. They contribute 1/3 of the GDP, 45% of manufacturing output, 48% of exports, employ 110 million people, and they can absorb 600 million people, that is labor force, by 2030. And they are also evenly distributed, that is SMEs are distributed in rural areas and urban areas both. 45% are in rural areas, so therefore if they are well equipped, if they are given the preference, then they have the potential to reduce poverty. And also the gaps, the government can give more credit access also, better credit access, better rate of interest. So this was the analysis put forward by the author.